a step-by-step guide to preparing a doctor's website. Digital Mall offers a user-friendly platform to create a stunning website. Choose a domain name. Register a unique and memorable domain name. Ensure it reflects your practice's name and expertise. Unique design. Digital Mall's design that suits your practice's style and specialty. Add essential pages. Home. About us. Services. Contact us. Meet the doctors. Patient resources. Integrate features. Online appointment scheduling. Patient portal. Blog. Testimonials. Clinic management. Doctor management. Patient history. Launch and promote. Launch your website. Share on social media. Engage with patients online. Contact us for more detail or visit our website www.digitalmall.pk.